Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to locate your Minecraft world saves on your computer. This will apply for your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. First thing first, go to search menu and type .div just press dot in keyboard and type minecraft dot Minecraft. You just here the opens up a file folder and you just go ahead and open that up. If you had Minecraft installed in your computer, here are the saved folder guys. This is the save folder. This is not guys Minecraft directory, not. You need to just search for dot Minecraft. Just open up one folder, that's the save files for Minecraft. I don't have Minecraft guys, sorry for about that. I just want to locate you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.